Hit for 6, unpacking a quintessentially British phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, hit someone for 6. This expression is not only colorful but also packed with cultural and linguistic nuances. Let's uncover its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Stay tuned to become more fluent and confident in your English language journey. Hit someone for 6 is a metaphorical phrase derived from the game of cricket. In cricket, hitting the ball out of the field, scoring 6 runs in a single hit, is a significant achievement. Therefore, this phrase is used to describe a situation where someone is overwhelmed or profoundly affected by an event, remark, or action, often in a surprising or unexpected way. It suggests a powerful impact, leaving the person figuratively knocked off their feet, much like a cricket ball being hit out of the park. The origins of hit someone for 6 are deeply rooted in the game of cricket, a sport which holds a special place in British culture and history. The phrase began to be used in everyday language to convey the idea of causing a big impact or a strong reaction. Over time, it has transcended its cricketing origins to become a part of common English expressions, especially in countries where cricket is popular, such as the United Kingdom, Australia, and India. Understanding a phrase also means knowing how to use it in context. Here are a few examples. 1. The news of his sudden resignation hit everyone for 6. Here, it means the news was very surprising and had a significant impact. 2. Her performance in the final exam hit her parents for 6, given her previous scores. This implies that her parents were amazed and impressed by her unexpected success. 3. The final twist in the movie will hit you for 6. This suggests that the movie has a surprising and impactful ending. While hit someone for 6 is a popular saying, there are variations and related expressions that convey similar meanings. Phrases like knocked out of the park or blow someone away are also used to describe situations or actions that have a strong, surprising impact on someone. It's interesting to note the similarities and differences in these expressions across different cultures and sports. We hope this exploration of hit someone for 6 has been enlightening and enjoyable. Phrases like these enrich our language, adding color and depth to our conversations. Whether you're a cricket fan or just love the intricacies of the English language, knowing these expressions can help you communicate more effectively and understand the cultural context behind them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll uncover more secrets of the English language.